Do you know that regular use of certain herbs can help reduce blood pressure? One of the most crucial factors to keep in mind at all times is blood pressure, especially for the elderly. Because most people with hypertensive conditions don't feel any different from those with normal blood pressure. High blood pressure is often misdiagnosed until something drastic happens to the patient. Exploring common herbs that can help those with hypertension lower their blood pressure. Relax and take in this video while you get some valuable knowledge. Are there any common herbs that help lower blood pressure? 1. Garlic. 2. Ginger. 3. Cinnamon. 4. Thyme. These are typical herbs with documented health benefits for blood pressure control. Allicin, which is found in garlic, is a powerful compound that inhibits the body from producing the substance before high blood pressure occurs. While most of us here use thyme as a culinary herb, recent scientific research has revealed that this common spice also contains powerful chemicals that reduce blood pressure. While taking your prescribed meds, I recommend adding these herbs to your diet as a spice or even eating them raw if you have been experiencing problems with blood pressure spikes and have not been doing so already.